Well, it's video time again. I'm Ted Carrick, and I'm really jazzed to tell you about what's going to be happening on November 1st and 2nd of this year, 2025, just in a few weeks. I'm going to be with dear Matthew Antonucci at the Carrick Institute, and we're going to be tag teaming and talking about treating patients. Largely, we're going to be talking about using electrical therapies, defining what they are, but it's a no-fluff module. It really is more hands-on. What do you do? And I'm going to be showing you what we do specifically in the care of patients, whether they're pain patients, movement disorders patients, strokes, ataxic patients, and a variety of other things that I think you'll find very exciting and very applicable to the things that you do. So for instance, if you have somebody with a right-sided dystonia, say a segmental dystonia, you know that there's probably something wrong in the left globus pallidus, but do you treat the right side and try to bring things up to the left side of the brain? Some cases yes, some cases no. It would be absolutely contraindicated. I'm going to show you why, and I'm going to show you what happens when you do it wrong and what happens when you do it right. The beautiful thing is that if you can monitor your treatments, you're going to know if what you're doing is bad for that patient, or if it's good, or if you're not doing anything, wasting your time, and more importantly, the patient's time. So we'll talk about how do you decide where to stimulate with electricity on the body, specific to an individual condition, realizing that you don't treat the condition, you treat the individuals. So 3 people with dystonic lesions will probably have 3 different adjunctive electrical therapies. And to do this, we need to be able to ascertain their state of their autonomic nervous system. Is there dysautonomia? Is there fragility in the brain? Is there fatigue in the brain? How much can you stimulate it? You need to stimulate it to get an effect, but you can overdo it. So we're going to go through that, and I think you're going to love it. If you're a clinician, you're absolutely going to love it. If you like cookbook stuff, this isn't the course for you. You're going to have to think, but all of you can think. You've been trained really well. Everyone's hyper intelligent, and we're going to bring out the best in you. And for those of you that make the cut and are here live, that's great. But we formulated this to be able to serve a distance learning, which is a big request from our scholars. So no matter where you are on the globe, you'll be able to follow with us live, and I think it'll be very beneficial for you. You'll have a blast. I wish we had the room to see everyone that wants to come to this module. We don't, so we'll be streaming it, and it'll be great up close and personal. So I'll see you then. Matt will see you then, and I'm looking forward to a great time.